Hey y'all, it's me, Bridget, CEO of My Girls Products. Just want to come with and share with y'all the new lashes that we got in. Where I'm at, it is morning, so having a cup of Joe. It says Alexis Restart 2020. So here is the package. I'm so excited. We have new lashes. This is only some of them. This is not even all of them. So I hope y'all just want to see how y'all are doing. I'm a new entrepreneur. Not quite new, but new to the business that I'm doing now for about 20 years, which I'm still young. Don't get it. I did hair for a long time. I traveled out of town to do hair and everything. So a little bit about my business now. I am the CEO of My Girls Products. We sell or we offer women's clothes, women's sandals at this time, lashes. I make lip gloss, and I also do wholesale for lip gloss. So either it can come made for you and you'll just get the squeeze tubes, or you can already have the lip gloss in the squeeze tube. Also, I also offer starter kits for lip gloss. So if you're thinking about starting a business, a lip gloss business, I am offering that right now. I have so many lashes coming in right now. I'm not sure if I want to sell them single or do wholesale. So somebody who do wholesale or sell single lashes, please comment. Tell me which one is best to do. I just want to help people start their business but I have been getting emails that I got new subscribers, so thank you for subscribing. Please, y'all, come and like what you see. Please subscribe and come and stay updated to what we have to offer. So with that being said, let's get into it. So the lashes that I actually had wanted, she sold out. So this vendor that I'm actually working with right now was highly recommended, and I hope she did not fail me, because as you can see, I literally just got the package right now. So I decided to come on here and share with y'all what we have. So these lashes right here are 25 mm, and I have some more lashes coming in that are 15 mm. So I will come back and share that. So this is my first time seeing them, because this is actually, wait a minute, y'all. These are the 100 lashes. This is not the 25 mm. I am so sorry, y'all. I thought these were the 25 mm lashes. Y'all, let's see what we got. Oh my God. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. These are so pretty. So with that being said, I'm just too excited. Oh my God, these are so pretty. I am so lost for words. These are so pretty. Oh my God. So I have 4 different styles in this 100 pack. These are so pretty. So for those who doesn't like the 25 mm, these are still pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. I'm just too excited. Look at these. Oh my god. So I don't know if I showed these, but we have 4 different styles. Let's see, because they have them marked, but okay. 104. 104. 105. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. These are pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think those were all the 4 styles. Okay. I'm still missing a style. Oh. Okay, y'all. These are not 15. Some of them are 15. 108 is 15. Okay. And oh my gosh. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at these, y'all. Okay. So we have 4 different styles. I thought these were my 25mm, which actually some of these are 25, and then some of these are 15. Okay, so I will count these later, but I am just too excited. Like, these actually came sooner than what they were supposed to, because I've been tracking and it was like, oh, it's still in China, and I'm like, dang, how long is it really gonna take? Because this was actually my first time ordering from, I got these from a vendor off AliExpress, and that was my first time ordering off of them. I work with vendors on Alibaba because they're gonna get your orders out right away. But however, this guy, 2 weeks, it's been 2 weeks, he got my order out right away, and he was actually having a sale. Yeah, he was having a huge sale, so that's why I went ahead and got 100 lashes. 100 lashes. And I was like, okay, so if they really good, you know, because he was actually highly recommended too. If they really good, then I was gonna order some more. And they look really good. They look really good. Yes, they look really good. So the other ones that I have coming are different styles. So that'll put me at a total of 9 different styles. So actually, I have different cases. I don't know if I should use these. These just come off. Somebody help me out, please. Comment and tell me. Like, I actually already ordered different cases, so this just comes out like that. These lashes are so gorgeous. Like, look at that, y'all. And these are 15. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I'm too excited. Okay, so these are 15 mm. And these, oh my god, these are just so bold. These are just so bold. Look at that. So yeah, I have different cases for the lashes though. These are so gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, y'all. So thank you for watching. I will be back with the other lashes and the boxes that I ordered to share with y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember, I am Bridget. I am the CEO of My Girls Products. Thank you.